It began with the question, should one person decide for all, or should all decide together? Over 2,000 years ago, in ancient Athens, a new idea was born. The people could rule themselves. It wasn't perfect. It wasn't for everyone. But it was the start. Rome carried the torch. Then came kings and empires who silenced the people and claimed power for themselves. But the people pushed back. In England, the Magna Carta declared that even kings must obey the law. Step by step, the people claimed their place at the table. In 1776, revolutionaries in America declared independence. In France, citizens stormed the Bastille. The promise of democracy spread across continents. But that promise wasn't for everyone. Women fought for the right to vote. Former slaves fought to be heard. Nations rose against colonial rule. Every voice gained was a battle won. Today, democracy lives in ballads cast in villages and cities, in protests demanding fair elections. In the digital votes of a connected world, democracy is fragile. It is imperfect, but it is alive, because democracy is not the voice of one, it is the power of many, and it is ours to protect.